إن في خلق السماوات والأرض واختلاف الليل والنهار لآيات لأولي الألباب.
Stick insects, also known as phasmids, have evolved to look like twigs, leaves, and even bark. This incredible mimicry helps them evade predators, making them masters of disguise. But their abilities don't stop there. Some species can even change their color to match the seasons, further enhancing their survival tactics. And the miracle continues. These insects can reproduce both sexually and asexually, ensuring their survival even in the most challenging conditions. A living miracle of adaptation and survival.